Hello, my name is Ingrid Acosta. I am a student in a child pedagogy and the University Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. Today I want to tell about the effects of technology on the environment and how we can do for mitigating these effects. It is no secret to anyone that technology is a tool that has made our lives easier, but at the same time has caused a progressive deterioration on the environment. Degrading our natural resources every day. Due to the environment impact in technological world, the pollution produced in the ocean depends on many raw materials of energy sources, and the waste generated in many industrial activities, which means that its global development can continue to grow exponentially without devastating environmental our needs. We will and face with more intense, frequent, and unpredictable climate phenomena such as the temperature is hotter, the sea level higher than few years ago, the poles are dissipating, and the quality of the food groups drastically contracted. Colombia will be one of the countries most offered on the world because as the Taiwan, you our country is the third most vulnerable nation in the world in the face of the climate change. So what can we continue to say to our planet? Reduce the use of wood, energy, and plastic. Consume less meat, waste less food, and commit to solve the world to manage mess. Use me of public transportation or you can use the bike. Use biodegradable products. Be aware to education the new generation. Take care of our planet. It needs us news. Thank you. Bye bye.